Selsun Blue has a naturals line. Did you know that? I didn't. You want to see what this product will do in my hair? Stay tuned. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try a brand new product to me. I don't know about you, but to me. So before we even get right on into it, make sure if you haven't already, took a moment to subscribe. Make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up if you like to see people try new hair products, and leave me a comment. Okay, so what I'm going to do today is try out this Selsun Blue Naturals Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Okay. So I was, scrolling through Amazon like I always do. And I was like, you know what? I need a new shampoo, but I need something else that fights dandruff. And if you saw my last Empties video, you know I no longer have a dandruff shampoo, or what's advertised as a dandruff shampoo. And I have dandruff. So anyway, I saw this and I was like, Selsun Blue. Did I use Selsun Blue back in the days? I don't think I bought it then, but I was like, Selsun Blue is super drying. That was back in the days. Now this says naturals, so I don't know if this is going to have more oils in it or what the case is, a little bit less harsh for us naturals. We will see. It's an anti-dandruff shampoo. It says it has salicylic acid in it, and it has 3% of that. Salicylic acid is great for fighting acne on our skin, but it's also apparently great for clearing up dandruff. And so it specifically says for itchy, dry scalp on the bottle. It says with vitamins B5 and E to promote healthy looking hair every day. And it helps prevent and eliminate itchy scalp and visible flakes. Okay, so I got it all. This is an 11 fluid ounce bottle. Nice blue color to go with the title, Selsun Blue. And this is like a gel-like consistency. Smells nice and fresh, and when I wiped it on my hand, I didn't get any irritation or anything like that. And when I have it open, I'm squeezing it, it's not irritating my eyes. Fights and helps prevent reoccurrence of flakes and itching due to dandruff. Says avoid contact with eyes, obviously. Stop use if condition worsens or does not improve after regular use of this product as directed. Now, as directed, the directions say wet hair, massage onto scalp, and then rinse. Repeat if desired. It says for best results, use at least twice a week or as directed by a doctor. And do I personally wash my hair twice a week? No. Do I need to? Maybe. Now some of these ingredients, now this is not a sulfate-free shampoo. It does not claim to be. It doesn't claim to be paraben-free. My concern is it's gonna dry my hair out worse than it already is. Let's hope not. Okay, so let's look at what I have here. Yeah, I have not washed my hair, and actually it's been 2 weeks. As you can see, dry, dry, and more dry. And visible flakes. I've been itching, scratching. This is horrible. Yeah. So everything's dry, including my hair. So what I'm gonna do is start spraying my hair with water. While I'm doing that, y'all let me know down below in the comments if you're watching this as a premiere, let me know in the chat. Have you used any products from Selsun Blue? Have you considered it? Have you used them? It's like, oh no, I will never use that again in life. Or what? Let me know. Pulling apart everything because I know I have shed hair in there, and this is what I like to do to begin breaking it down once it's wet. Okay, so now that we got that wet, for the most part. Now, let's see what this is gonna do. So it says it's tough on dandruff. We will see. This is thin enough that if you just turn this upside down, do not squeeze, it's gonna come out. Yeah, so don't squeeze. Okay, I hear it. It's clearly gonna lather up because my hands are wet and this is what it's doing already. Yeah, instant. You hear that? Instant. Okay. And to me, it seemed like a little bit's gonna go a long way. Okay, so since I didn't necessarily go straight to the scalp, I'm gonna do that. And what I normally do is go like this, and I'll take my hands and go like this, straight to the scalp. Okay, feels really nice. Does not feel like it's stripping my hands. Now, I don't know about my hair, but normally when something's gonna really strip my hair strands, I first feel it in my hands. I don't feel that quite yet. Now, there's no tingling, but I can definitely feel where I had scratched my scalp and I think opened up the skin a little bit. So I can kind of feel that. It's not hurting and it's not burning to the point like, you know, relaxer days and stuff like that. You get the point. And this is not meant for detangling, so that's not what I'm testing. What I'm testing is what it's going to do to my scalp and my hair. It is getting every strand. I like the lather and I like the smell. It smells fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair off camera, and then I am going to wash it out. And let's see what this does, just washing my hair once. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go back in and rinse because I still have a little bit of shampoo there, I think. Okay, it feels okay, but this definitely did get everything it could even get. So yeah, it does feel stripping. I feel it in my hands now, most definitely. But let's see what this scalp is looking like. So about my scalp. My scalp looks good. I almost want to scratch it to see if anything's still on it, but I'm not going to do that. It did not irritate my scalp when I was washing my hair. It didn't irritate the part that I clearly had some open skin. It didn't irritate it any further. This shampoo does not tingle at all. So if you like tingling, sorry, it does not. I kind of wish it did, but it does not. My scalp looks pretty good. Yeah. And my hair itself looks pretty clean. Let me check back here. Now I know how my hair is. My hair will have like a almost like grayish cast to it if it did not do a good job cleaning my hair. I think it did a great job, actually. Now I only washed it once with a lot more rinsing because I clearly still had a little bit of shampoo left on this side. So I think it did the job in cleaning my hair and cleaning my scalp. I didn't get any irritation to my eyes. My eyes are not red, as you can see. It's gentle enough. Now, I wish this had more oils in it, but you know, hey, it's doing what it's supposed to do, which is wash the hair. I would say this is pretty gentle. Again, it does fully, y'all just got some in my hair again. Again, do not touch the bottle and then touch your hair, because it will immediately show in your hair, like it does right there. So I'll be washing that again. Anyway, I think this is pretty good. So if you've used this, let me know. If you want to see a follow-up on this, let me know. I'm sure I'll do a TikTok, a reel, a YouTube short. I'm sure all those mini videos will be coming out, but I may come back to do a follow-up after I've used this for maybe a month. Now, what I'm about to do is, of course, go in with my deep conditioner, which is highly suggested. And I also highly suggest, if you're going to use this shampoo, is section your hair off into 2 or 4 if you have as much hair as me, so you fully see that everything's been washed out. But what's nice about this, it will allow you to see if you still have shampoo in or not. So I do like that. So anyway, I think it worked all right. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. Have you used it? Do you want to see the follow-up to this? Are there any other dandruff shampoos you think I should try? You know, just give it a try. That would be nice on natural hair, of course. And other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.